After we put all the ingredients, we wrap into a piece of, what's that?
Oven bag.
Oven bag.
Get yourself set up for the next passage if you have to.
Should it wrap with one tablespoon of flour inside the oven bag?
Yes.
Cellophane.
That
Here.
will keep it from bursting open.
And there he is. There's the leg. He's taking out that right leg.
Here's the turkey. Bye-bye, turkey.
Stuffing time.
And maybe there's a problem with it when you run them wide to the working, because that's when you really
You
are.
should put the turkey
loading up
properly.
that outside leg. You gotta get out to it with that leg and have pressure on it if there is an injury. If you're for that, just gonna take it. Launch to the back here and run.
Here. Wrap. And add more, inject more for the last time. Here. At the leg.
Breast.
See? Yan kasi yung sekreto para mas masarap yung turkey. It will absorb these ingredients in the injection. It makes the turkey taste
Tasty.
good. Tasty, yeah.
To have a strong serve, you need a strong back. To have strong ground stroke, you need strong legs. I have just a toast for you. This hair toast makes your back
Juice.
and your legs stronger. At the
Yeah, here we go.
center of your feet, a pair of left feet
Wrap it.
strongly bend your legs. So that you can be in your